Hello everyone. So I've told you earlier that I will upload Realme GT2 devices PixelOS ROM, how to install it, and I was kind of busy with my schedule, and that's why I was not able to upload this video. But I'm not gonna make a detailed video right now still. So let's get back to the steps how I have installed it, and you can too. It's safe and secure method. Firstly, I will show you the XDA Forum. I have uploaded every step on XDA Forum, on my XDA Forum. You can follow me on that too. So this is the XDA Forum. I will provide each and every link to my descriptions. So first thing what you have to do is download the deep test application for your Android devices, and then install it in your Android devices, and then start the deep test. When the company approves that deep test application, then you will be able to unlock your bootloader, and then will receive a pop-up. You have to restart your devices, and remember that whenever you are going to restart your device, all the data will be wiped. So try to back up each and everything which is important to you. Now when the step 1 is completed, now you have to flash image and ROM of your devices and PixelOS. For that you can use another article which is mentioned here. This is the link, you can follow it here. All the detailed instructions are written here, how can you flash your ROM. Okay, now everything which you need to download is here. You must have Realme GT2 on latest Realme UI and deep test application to get bootloader unlocked, and then you need to download SDK platform, which is very common tool for custom ROMs, and then you need to download PixelOS ROM, obviously, because this is what you need in your devices, and also some recovery images from this website, and three recovery images which you need to download are vendor boot post are mentioned here. You can see it and download it. Now to unlock and flash everything, you just need to follow this article, just this article. These are simple and easy to go through articles. You can do it. And then to unlock bootloader, turn on developer mode, OEM unlocking, and USB debugging. Then install deep test APK on your Realme GT2 devices. Apply for unlocking bootloader. First you need to back up all your data because everything will be wiped. After approval, start the test from the deep test app itself. When the application approved, you need to reboot your devices, and remember that all your data will be wiped. Now flashing mirrors and ROM. You need to extract the Android SDK platform which you have downloaded from here, which is mentioned here. Extract it, and then move all the downloaded ROM, PixelOS ROM, vendor boot post, and all the recovery images which you have downloaded from here to the platform tools folder. Now open the command prompt in the similar. You just need to click here and type cmd and hit enter. You just need to do that. Now you just need to connect your phone, and remember, please check again that your USB debugging is on and OEM unlocking is also turned on. You can re-unlock the developer option from your devices by tapping 7 times on version. You people knew it already, I think. And then reboot the device in fast boot mode. For that you need to power off your devices and hold the volume down button and power button for I think 15 seconds. Then you will be rebooted to bootloader fast mode, fast boot mode, and then you just need to flash vendor boot by running this in terminal by using Windows PC command prompt in the same folder where your platform tools are available. Now after flashing these files, reboot recovery by running fastboot reboot recovery in terminal of the command prompt. Now on your phone, which is recovery mode, apply update. When your recovery mode screen UI will be available on your devices, select from power button and go up and down with volume down and volume up button and apply for update. Now flash the ROM through ADB sideload by running ADB sideload and path to your ROM. Means these were the vendor boot img dtbo im.amg boot.amg. Let me show you how the platform folder looks like. This is it. But this is of Pixel Experience ROM. Now when you have flashed the ROM through ADB sideload by running ADB sideload and path to your ROM.zip, the Pixel ROM which you have downloaded, this, and you can find the path by right clicking on it. I'm gonna show you, like, this is the setup file and I want to find this path. You can right click on this and then show more options, go to its properties, and you will get the path here. Just copy it and paste it to the path to rom.zip, whatever it is. Now you have to go to main menu in your Realme GT2 and then factory reset and format data, or factory reset again, and then format data, back to main menu, reboot to recovery. That's it. The new PixelOS after rebooting your devices. And if you face any problem, just comment down below. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.